a good nap. Good morning, Ellie. Mwah! Yeah, I'm so glad we have nothing to do to... Oh my God, Ellie! It's today! Oh gosh! We forgot it was today! Oh my! I'm feeling a little bit embarrassed. Do you ever feel embarrassed? Yeah. What do you do when you feel embarrassed? Yeah, I also hide my face. Like this. Sometimes I go like this. Do you ever get nervous? What kind of face do you make when you're nervous? Yeah, me too. Sometimes I bite my fingers. Do you? I get hot and sweaty. And I have a lot of hair, so I get really hot and sweaty. Ellie always helps me too. Well, hi, I'm Sophie, and today is my first day here with you. I'm very excited. What do you do when you're excited? Can you show me? Some of you are dancing. Yeah, I like to dance too. La 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 la. I'm excited. Up down, up down. I also smile a lot. Yeah, I do. Do you smile a lot too? Can you show me your big smile? I like it. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3. That was great. I love it. What feelings do you get when you're doing something for the first time? Excited? Nervous? Hyper. Yeah, hyper is when you can't sit still. Sometimes my mommy, around Christmas or when I'm gonna go to the theme park, especially in the summer, or going on vacation, I get really excited. Yeah, I do, and I can't sit still. And mommy's like, Sophie, sit still. And I'm like, I can't. I'm so excited. It's like my body does a dance from the inside. Does that happen to you? It's like you're dancing from the inside. Let's do it together. Okay, let's be hyper and excited. Yeah! And what makes you so excited? You can't sleep. Does that happen to you? Yeah, I can't sleep at night, especially when I know I'm gonna go do something for the first time, like, well, swimming. Oh my gosh, the first time I was gonna go swimming, I couldn't sleep. Nope, I was wondering, I was like, am I gonna be like a mermaid? Swimming in the swimming pool? Am I gonna grow fins? I really thought so. But I just had fun. But I was excited. I was jumping. Like this when I was swimming. I know that when my mommy is gonna take me home, I'm not gonna be able to sleep. I'm gonna be like this. Look. I can go to sleep. Help me, Ellie. Oh no! Sophie, go to sleep! Sophie, go to sleep! And I'm gonna be like, I can't! I'm excited! Does that happen to you? Do you tell yourself, go to sleep? And you're like, I can't! I'm excited! and all these pictures go in your head, right? Yeah, sometimes though we can get nervous and scared. Like when the first time I went to the babysitter, I was nervous. I didn't know if I was going to be happy or find friends. I was. But then I got there and I had a lot of friends and a lot of fun and games. Yeah, but at first I was like this. Then kids came up to me and started talking to me. I was so scared that my mommy wouldn't pick me up. Yeah. But guess what? She did. That made me really happy. But then I didn't want to leave because I was having so much fun. My very first time. Guess what? We have a special friend. The number one, since we're talking about first times. Come here closer, number one. Do you see the number one? Yeah. Do you, Ellie? Yeah, she sees it. Wow. It's very sleek and straight. Can you think of something that is like the shape of number one? A stick! Yes! I heard a line. Yeah, something that is straight. You're right. Do you want to go ahead and trace the number one with me? Okay, let's do it. Okay, so let's start from the top, okay? You can touch my hand if you want to. Ready? Now let's bring your finger down. Yay! Good job! Okay, let's do it again. Ready? Let's slide your finger down. Awesome! Number one is like for the first time too. Did you know that you only have one nose? Yeah. One head? Yeah. And one body. Yeah. Also, number one is like the first one. Yeah, so if you're running with a lot of people and you get there first, you're number one to get there. Yeah. It's like the beginning, not the end. Yeah. I figured we'd have our special guest. Number one, would you like to say something, number one? He says, nice to meet you. Well, they're happy to meet you too, number one. And I hope you learned about the number one and feelings. Thank you for joining me. And thank you, number one. Do you want to sing the song with me or be here when we sing the song? Okay. Me. I'm ready. All right. It's ticket time. That means goodbye. So long, my merry friends. I had a blast. The time went fast. It's coming to an end. But don't you fear, tomorrow's near. For now we'll wave our hands. Ta-ta. Adios. Choo-choo.